everyone. Welcome to the tarot tutorials. So in this lecture what we are going to learn, again we will continue our cups journey. Earlier we had done ace to 3 of cups, ace of cups, 2 of cups and 3 of cups we had discussed, and we had created a nice story. Today we will create this story with 4 of cups, 5 of cups and 6 of cups. So let's start our story. Earlier, if you remember what has happened, I have celebrated. I met someone and I had celebrated my victory. I have celebrated my relationship. I have celebrated whatever I got it through my 2 of cups. So this was the celebration. We were dancing, we had party, we had nice food, drink, whatever it is. So we enjoyed a lot. When I'll move to the 4 of cups, here you will see 3 of cups we have enjoyed. So there is possibility one person might be he drunk a lot or something has happened, because when you are having a party or something, someone will crack a joke and there is possibility the one person or the another person, they may or may not like it. So here what happened, this person did not like that particular situation and he came here and he sat here alone. Now he is not talking to the other people. He is a bit upset. You will see he is not in a mood of patching up. He is a bit upset, but not much. It is kind of okay, little bit you are hurt and now I am not going to talk to you, like childrens they used to do. Though from here one person is trying to patch up. So whenever 4 of cups we see, what we will feel, we are having the people, we are having the options. People are also offering, options are also coming to you, but you are not interested. Or there is a possibility you are just simply hanging on some situation and you are not able to see the opportunities, and here you are alone. You left the people from your choice and here you are alone. You are not paying attention to the others' feeling. So this is about 4. Whenever you will learn the meaning of 4, the 4 number is bit harsh always. 4, it is a number of Rahu. When you will just learn the numerology, you are going to know a lot. When you will just add the numerology in tarot, your quality of reading will enhance like anything. So if you will learn about Rahu is not having emotions at all. That is only a mind. So whenever 4s comes, you will see the card shows always emotionless kind of card. Either it will be show off or there will not at all, there won't be any emotion. The intuition part or emotion part will not be there. I would not say intuition, I'm sorry. The emotional part will be missing. So here you'll see the emotional part is missing. He is not paying attention and he is not using his intuition at all at this point of time. Or there is a possibility he sat here, he is not willing to enjoy that 3 of cups, the celebration what is happening, because he felt no, that is wastage of time. Let's utilize my time. Let's meditate so that I am going to get more. As we know, Rahu is the number of occult also. Rahu talks about Rahu generally talks about the dark energies, but here we are not dealing with the dark energies at all. Rahu represents intuition also, but that intuition goes in a different way, right? So once this person is upset, he is not willing to talk to these people, whatever they are just pleading, okay, please talk to us. No, I'm not going to talk. And then where you have reached, how long people will run behind you? So here 3 people, 3 cups are lying down and 2 are there. So always there will be situation. Here this person is disappointed. He is standing here and he is disappointed. Why? Because the 3 cups are lying here. He might be lost something, could be some relationship or something emotional which he was very much connected. He lost that. So here when we'll just proceed our story, what will happen? Everyone will not follow you. Even if you are feeling good or bad, that's your business. So these 3 people, okay, we are not going to talk to you. These 2, okay, they are there and they are saying, okay, we are with you. But since the 3 he lost, so his more concern is on this thing, but whatever he is having, that he is not paying attention. He is not giving the importance to this. So this is what in general in our life also it happens. Whatever we are having, we behave like this. We simply leave those things back and it will become a junk because we are not paying attention at all, and we are just focusing our all energies towards whatever we lost. So what we do, we create some more pain like that. So this is the 5 of cups. So here what 5 of cups, the positive side, what is there? You forget, you leave this kind of attitude and look at this back, whatever you are having good thing, and with this good thing, if you cross this river, here it is, river is there, one small pool is there, if you cross there, and there it could be possibility some house or some life is there, and you can leave this place and you can go happily with these people. You can spend your life happily with this thing, but simply I like to dwell with my pain. So this card is talking about change your attitude. Look at the good side. Leave the bad thing. So this is the 5 of cups. I am very upset. I lost this many things. Now I started missing my old times. You remember what has happened? The 3 of cups, we were celebrating and all. Here I left. That was my decision. I did not pay attention to my relationship, my opportunities. I was not focusing on that. Here I lost something since my focus was not there on the opportunities, on the relationships, on the emotions, on my intuition, even something it is offered through the universe. So I lost something. Everything, no one loses always, we should remember. Part of the thing only we are losing and part of the thing will be left out. Why? The universe is teaching you, be focused, pay attention, otherwise you are going to lose your things like this slowly. So now since here I became alone, I am very disappointed with this situation, I am hurt. Now I started missing my people. So 6 of cups, very positive card of the deck. Even from all cards, I would say 6 of cups is the very positive card. I started missing my people. I started recalling my old relationship. I started missing my native town. So this 6 of cups, actually here you'll see one girl is there, one small girl is there. This could be, this person is here and he is trying to go back to his childhood. He is trying to relish his old time. So here he became alone, so he started missing his hometown. So it shows when you are alone, when you are very bugged up with this situation, when you are upset, your own people are only going to help you, or your own place is only going to give you comfort. So this shows either you can meet with someone, your known person, your siblings, go and connect with your siblings, your known people. Try to connect with your old stuff. Visit your native. If someone related to your native place, try to discuss your good times. So it shows the good times. So leave this thing, come back to this. Here a lot of happiness is there. Here see, no hurry burry, nothing is there. Very peaceful environment. Nice house is there. One guard is there. Slowly he is just going. He is like, this is the safest place. So here he wanted to go to the safest place. He is looking for the safest place where he wanted to go. So whenever this comes, this 6 of cups, generally it shows your native, your someone known to your childhood friend, or someone person who and someone known to you whom you are going to meet after a long time, your old relationship, those kind of things. So like this we are creating this story. I hope you would have enjoyed the reading. So in the next lecture we will meet up with the another 4 cards and we are going to finish the cups. I hope you would have enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye bye.